I walked through nights of silence, dreams fell beneath my hands. Failures carve their stories like shadows in the sand. Every step was broken, every word unsaid, but still the voice kept calling through echoes of the dead. Hear the sound of success, a hollow cry, forged in the places where hope would die. No applause, no crown, nothing to confess, only the silence, the sound of success. My scars became the language the world refused to hear. I carried all my failures and turned them into years. I tried and fell in darkness, but rose from every fall. The sound was never triumph, it was silence after all. Hear the sound of success, a hollow cry, forged in the places where hope would die. No applause, no crown, nothing to confess, only the silence, the sound of It's not a song of glory, it's not the crowd's embrace. It's the echo of persistence in an empty, quiet space. Hear the sound of success, a shadowed tone built from the back.